Calibration of braking drive in a GOtrack Remote Control system. First step is turning on the system. So when the system is turned on, then go to the app, to the app on your phone, GOtrack configuration app, and enter the app. You will see the device list. So click the device, wait for connection. Right now it is connected, and go to drives. Go to brake drive, and now we have menu where we can calibrate position of braking drive. We adjust the position of braking drive by pressing plus and minus buttons. So you can see when I'm pressing the plus button, the position of the drive is changing. The same with minus. Okay, and now for adjusting released position of the pedal, we have to leave pedals released and find the position of the drive where the chain is not in lows. Right now there is too much lows, so I will make it a little bit tight. More. Okay. Now the pedal is a little bit pressed, so it's too much. Okay, I think this is the right position. And now released position, press set. System will memorize this position, and now we will find the pressed position. So press braking pedal with your feet, with your foot, and remember that at this stage the engine must be running, so the braking system is working properly. And now we go to plus and minus button. We press minus in this case, but in some other situations maybe you have to press plus. Okay, don't tight the chain too much, because it will cause drive overloads. So it must be tight when the braking pedals are pressed and the tractor is braking, not more than human can press. So I think this position is alright. So now we go to pressed position, we press set. This value is memorized, and we can save those values, those settings. We go out, and we can test also the positions. Testing is in slow motion. Okay. Always you can see current position here. Okay, it works. Okay, if the range of the drive is not enough, you have to change the position of the chain on the wheel. So you have to unscrew the mounting bracket and put it in the other position, so the range will be suitable.